desire of every heart and soul, an exotic, luxurious, sumptuous, everlasting land and life of bliss.
If a person passes away in plague, is he or she a Shaheed?
Yes, Moulana, it comes in a hadith narrated by Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim on the authority of Anas radiallahu anhu that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam have said, "At-ta'un shahadatu kulli Muslim," that ta'un, plague, or any apparent such viruses, etc., that has spread all over and that's taking the lives of people, that's a means of martyrdom for a Muslim. Plagues are a means of martyrdom for a Muslim. This has been narrated by Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim. Also, if you look in the lives of the Sahaba radiallahu anhum, there are many other ahadith indicating this aspect. The Ta'un Amwas, which was in the 18th Hijri, some say it was in the 17th Hijri. Nevertheless, Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah radiallahu anhu, he used to tell the people that inna hada rahmatu rabbikum wa da'watu nabiyyikum, that this is indeed a mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So those that have moved on, they have got the status of a shaheed, the status of martyrdom. Wa da'watu nabiyyikum, and this is a means of meeting with Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, which obviously a person will meet their near and dear ones when they pass away. So Sahaba radiallahu anhum, many of them were actually looking forward towards this martyrdom and the shahadat. Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah radiallahu anhu, he himself lost his life and became a shaheed, became a victim of a plague, and he was also a shaheed. He attained the status of martyrdom. The same of Mu'adh bin Jabal radiallahu anhu. It is mentioned, obviously we should ask for afiyat and we should not make these du'as, but the high rank and the status of Sahaba was such that Mu'adh bin Jabal radiallahu anhu actually made du'a to Allah that Allah grant me this martyrdom, grant me the shahadat, and he also was granted shahadat in a form of a plague, because they had firm yaqeen in the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yes, the general ruling is, ulama say, that we should exercise patience and we should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for afiyat. We should ask Allah ta'ala for safety, for serenity, for security, exercise all forms of precautions that we can take to save ourselves, and to save others as well, because our iman has not reached to that level, and if calamities befall upon us, we do not know that we might end up complaining of that calamity and we might grow impatient in bearing the difficulty of that calamity. So we should ask for afiyat. However, if someone has passed away in these times, in the times of plague or a widespread virus, etc., he is regarded a shaheed in the light of the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.